family,
qoyska,
parents,
waalidka,
mother,
hooyo,
father,
aabe,
child,
ilmo,
children,
caruur,
son,
wiil,
daughter,
inanta,
brother,
walaal,
sister,
walaashay,
siblings,
walaalaha,
husband,
ninkeeda,
wife,
xaaska,
spouse,
xaaska,
grandfather,
awoowe,
grandmother,
ayeeyo,
great-grandfather,
awoowe,
great-grandmother,
ayeeyo weyn,
grandson,
awow,
granddaughter,
ina abti,
uncle,
adeer,
aunt,
eedo,
nephew,
abti,
niece,
abti,
cousin,
ina adeer,
relatives,
qaraabo,
son-in-law,
sodog,
daughter-in-law,
inanta uu sodohda u yahay,
father-in-law,
sodog,
mother-in-law,
sodohdiis,
adoptive parents,
waalidka korsaday,
adopted child,
ilmo korsaday,
stepfather,
adeer,
stepmother,
hooyaday,
stepson,
stepson,
stepdaughter,
ina adeer,